Sanathkumara's 4 fellows were there. These Sanathkumara 4 fellows, what did they do? Brahma created them. They were the first creation of Brahma. Brahma Manasa Putras, they are called, mentally born, mentally created sons of Brahma. Brahma was created by Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. Brahma then created these 4 fellows and said, go and you create the world. Those 4 fellows said, why? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Now I am going to meditate. We'll also meditate. They said, forget it. We are not going to go creating and all. We are going to meditate. They started meditating. We want the truth. And they meditated and they meditated and they meditated. Meditation is not truth. Who said meditation will give truth to you? These 4 fellows, they just arose from nowhere. They didn't consult with their father also. They disobeyed the father and went and did meditation. Will they find the truth? Nothing was found. Years went on, thousands of years went on, nothing happened. One day they realized, without Guru, it is no use meditating for so long. Guru alone is necessary for us. So we need a Guru. Sanskrit, the word Guru means father also. Let us straight away go to father and ask father to teach us. They went to Brahmaloka. Brahmaloka Mula, Brahma Bharati. Brahmaloka, Brahma and Bharati are there. Brahma, Bharati, Bharati na Saraswati. Brahma is sitting on a lotus, Saraswati is sitting on a lotus, a sofa, lotus na vatala. They had lotus furniture. Pala bamboo furniture and Mula Varadilya, they had lotus furniture. Brahma was sitting on a lotus, Saraswati was sitting on a separate lotus and a lotus. Saraswati was playing on Veena. Brahma is listening to the sounds of the Veena. Veena Swara Brahma Vibhushitam, the Veena itself is producing the sound of the Veda. Sakshat Vagdevi, Vedamata, Saraswati, if she should play on the Veena, Veena Nadam Gudukam, Vedandane Gudukam. And Brahma is listening and all 4 heads are swaying. He is listening to the music and the 4 fellows come walking inside. And they want a Guru. Yeah. So they see this Brahma listening to Saraswati's music and they said, yeah. What is he going to teach Brahma Vidya to us? He is listening to music. Amma is playing, Appa is listening. I don't think they are qualified enough to give us the truth. They left from there. They went straight to Sri Vaikuntham. In those days, Jaya Vijayas were well behaved. They let them in. It was only later on that they stopped. Or maybe they already stopped and then learned the mistake, so they said, these 4 dangerous 4, if they come, then our position here will be threatened, we will have to go to the earth. They went inside. See, Jaya Vijaya are not to be faulted. They had a reason why they did not allow these 4 to go inside. Because when these 4 went inside, what did they see? Anga lotus furniture, inga serpent furniture. Ore couch da, or couch. No separate seats. One long couch, 3-seater. And the 3-seater Bhagavan is reclining straight. Sriman Narayana is reclining, and Mahalakshmi Tayar is sitting there and pressing his feet. Now these 4 went inside and they saw, and they said, this is even worse than that. At least they were sitting on sofas. These fellows are lying in the bed. This fellow is lying on the bed and that lady is pressing his feet. Chichi. This fellow is so caught up in the bhoga, in the pleasures of this world. How will he teach us Brahma Vidya? They walked away. In the rendu paathu, idukku ulla phona pala value therinjiruman ungalukku idha vaanam poyan nee enna amchupta nee. So then only one more place to go. Only 3 places to start with. Satyaloka, Brahma, Vaikuntha, Vishnu, apra Kailasam da. So they went to Kailasa. Anga enna achina? Anga Damuru Nadam. Damuru Nadam. Shiva is dancing. Shakti is dancing. Ipdi podra, ava apdi thukara, ivan gala thukara, ava gala edakara. Ennada idu? Kootha irukku, terukkootha irukku. Idu ange thevaliye. What kind of dancing is this? That's chutti ஆடுறதுகள் ரெண்டும் தாண்டவம் ஆடுறது. This fellow is dancing, that lady is dancing, this fellow is dancing, she is dancing, he is dancing. அப்படி dance, they came together, round, swirl, and bang. பார்த்தா என்னாச்சுன்னா they joined together. அர்த்தநாரீஸ்வரா, ஒரு half is Shiva, ஒரு half is Shakti. They are standing like that. இது பார்த்தா ரொம்ப மோசம். At least in the first place they were sitting on two separate seats. That itself we rejected. The second place we came, there was one couch, he was lying down and she is sitting on the couch and pressing his feet, chi, we rejected. This is even worse, they are together. Chi. They ran away from that place. The four fellows wandering around, where will we get the truth? Who will give us the truth? Shiva became very compassionate and he saw and he said, these poor four fellows are not able to recognize the truth when it is in front of them. They expect the truth to come in a certain way. Only then they will accept it all right because they are so sincere. I will take the form of their choice. Initially, Bhagavan took the form of Dakshinamurti and sat under the Vatavriksha. These four fellows wandering around dejected came across this young sannyasi, yogi. No women around him, no dance around him, no music nearby, no Seshatalpam there, only a banyan tree, stone platform under the banyan tree, seated on the banyan tree, Rudraksha is there, Vibhuti is there. That's genuine, real McCoy. They sat down and they said, please teach us. He was sitting quietly, they asked questions. He answered them. When he answered one question, they asked a second question. He answered that. Third question, he answered that. As many questions he answered, new questions kept on arising. For one whole year, this question answer session continued. Q&A panel for 1 year. Then overall, they will come every day. They will come in the morning. They will sit there under the tree, ask questions till the night. Then they will go back home. They will come back again the next day. இப்படியா போயிட்டு வந்துட்டு one whole year, Shiva thought, Dakshinamurti thought, நமக்கு டான்ஸ் ஆட டைம் ஆயிடுது, ஏதோ சட்டுப்புட்டுன்னு, I thought I will come here, finish off, give the truth to them and go back and start dancing. These fellows are asking so many questions. By the time I go back night, I have no energy to dance. பதில் சொல்லியே கழிச்சு போடுத்து நமக்கு. அதனால he decided, he kept quiet. இப்படி சின்முத்ரா, வியாக்கியா முத்ரா வச்சுண்டு, he took this chinmudra and sat down in silence. மௌன வியாக்கியா பிரகடித பரபிரம்ம தத்துவம் யுவானம் அப்படின்னு he sat down in Mauna Mudra, the Vyakhya Mudra, and in that silence, the four of them awakened to the truth. Abdin the story, Ramana Bhagavan narrated the story. And after listening to the story, somebody there said, Bhagavane, in the Madri Naga Engime Ketadiliye. Bhagavan, we have not heard the story anywhere. In none of the Shastras, Puranas have the story. Abdin, they asked a question. Bhagavan Chulithu. அது என்னவோ தெரியாது, இப்படிதான் நடந்தது ஓய். Bhagavan said, this is how it happened. How I moved it, yes. That's how it must have happened. Who are we to say anything? ஏன்னா பரபிரம்மன் சொல்றது, அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம யாரும் இல்லைன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு. Yes, that is how it happened. Brahma also could have revealed the truth. Vishnu also could have revealed the truth. Parameshwara also could have revealed the truth. But these four were immature, and therefore they could not see that faith, the conviction that here is the goal is not, what did not arise in them. When they saw Dakshinamurti, that conviction came. In the end, it is not that some third, fourth person came and gave the truth. Shiva is not capable, Vishnu is not capable, Brahma is not capable, therefore they went to some other, instead of Trinity, quaternity, Shiva only came and gave the truth. Did the dancing Shiva, was he not capable of giving the truth? Yes, provided you have the faith that he can give the truth to you. This whole story, what does it reveal to us? It does not matter who the Guru is. What matters is your conviction, your faith that this Guru will give the truth to you. That this Guru is the truth. Guru will give the truth to you. That this Guru is the truth.